Hello, my name is John from Webbers, and today I'm going to be showing you around Nivena. This is a elevated property with 4/5 bedrooms, been modernised throughout and takes in advantage of these fantastic views on a very sought after road, Higher Park Road. With the property being located on Higher Park Road, it's one of Braunton's most popular areas to live. It's got easy walking distance to the village, but it does benefit from those fantastic vistas beyond as well, making it one of the most prestigious places to live in the area. When the owners purchased this property, it went through extensive renovations and conversions to create this fantastic modern home, and here we are in the impressive and large sitting room, benefiting from those views to the front with patio doors to the front garden. Here we are in the kitchen, dining, breakfast room. As you can see, it's a large room with modern units, doors leading out to the rear garden, and a useful utility at the end as well. It's fitted with everything that you need and has space for a large fridge freezer as well. The owners had this vision of creating a fantastic main bedroom, and here we are with good ceiling height up in the eave space, with fitted wardrobes, a Juliet balcony taking in those unbelievable vistas, an ensuite shower room, and plenty of storage. This property offers fantastic scope and versatility. Here we are in what's one of the double bedrooms, which naturally flows through into another space, which could be a self-contained lounge, one large bedroom, 2 bedrooms depending on what you need. It's got a downstairs shower room as well, so it's fully equipped for dual living. Nivena has this wonderful wraparound garden. You've got lawns to the front and rear, brilliant patio spaces for outdoor dining, and it backs onto a field behind, so it's totally private as well. One of the fantastic assets of this property has to be its off-road driveway parking, space for 3 cars comfortably, and a great sized garage with electric roller door with further storage as well. And that completes the video tour here for Nivena on Higher Park Road. If you'd like to view in person, give us a call on 01271 812 263, and we look forward to showing you very soon.